Just woke up a little bit ago, got showered, got ready, doing some laundry right now. Not exactly sure what we're doing today. I think I might try and book some trips, because we're going to be taking some trips soon, so I think I might do that booking today, but I'm not sure yet. Just got done planning out some dates to book some trips to different places in Europe. Very stressful, because whenever we originally looked at some dates, they were a lot cheaper than they are now, and we waited too long, and so now we're going to pay more money. It looks nice out, but it's actually supposed to start raining here really soon, in like half an hour. So I'm just running to the Netto to pick some stuff up before it starts raining. I got everything, but I forgot a bag to carry it all in, so yeah. Okay, I'm back. I got tortilla chips, I got broach, I got salami, I got various candies, I got chocolate donut. You want to see how the donuts were here? I got strawberries, all the necessities. German donuts. Not quite as sweet as American donuts, but still very good. Worth it. Got some lunch made. Good. So I decided to film a candy taste test video of some of those common candies you can find in Germany. This is strictly for science. I get no enjoyment out of indulging in all of these wonderful sweets. Okay, first we have Haribo. Haribo is pretty common. You can find it in America. I think they have it at Walmart. And these are basically just gummy bears. Yeah, there's definitely gummy bears. Thumbs up. Secret. This is my third or fourth bag of Haribo since I've been here. I'm no stranger to this candy. Next, Goutier Alpen Vollmilch, so extra creamy chocolate. I got this the first time because it's kind of a bargain. It's only 49 cents for this entire chocolate bar. So, yes. Okay. I love chocolate. Love chocolate. Dark chocolate's better for you. It tastes really good in certain applications. I love milk chocolate. It's the worst kind of chocolate for you. It's my favorite. 49 cents? This is so worth it. Another secret, that's probably like the 6th or 7th chocolate bar that I've had since I've been here. Okay, next, Hanuta. I got one of these for the first time out of a vending machine at the U-Bahn, which is like the German subway. Ooh. It's got like a gold wrapping on the inside. It makes you feel fancy. Okay. It's like some chocolate and like a wafer. That's good. That is good. You can't go wrong with chocolate hazelnut. Oh, okay. Ferrero makes this. So like Ferrero Rocher. Hanuta. You can find it. Definitely get one. They're yummy. Such an amateur. I should have been clearing my palate after each one of these. Okay. Much better. So, the last one is a Kinder Bueno. Kinder chocolate is super popular. Everyone knows about Kinder, Kinder eggs, Kinder chocolate. Kinder Bueno, I have not, this is the only one of these three that I've never had before. And I've wanted one since we got here, but they're a little expensive. So I never got one until now. Okay. So they're individually wrapped. Oh, look at this. You're gonna open it like a pack of cards. Am I supposed to do that and eat it individually? I need another bite for science. Okay. It's also chocolate and hazelnut, but this is like creamier. It's like a more upscale version of this. So this is just like wafer, chocolate hazelnut spread, wafer. This is like thin wafer with chocolatey hazelnut, very thin on the inside, coated with like melted chocolate. This is good. I like this. I'm gonna eat some more of these. Delicious. Okay, there you have it. Those are some really common German candies, and they're all delicious. Basically, if you're in Germany, just get any candy. It's gonna be good. That is my conclusion to this scientific experiment. And it was a scientific experiment. It wasn't. Thanks. The more astute of you may have noticed that I switched shirts because I spilled pasta on my other one. Sad day. On our way to go watch the Iceland-Hungary game, but it is looking pretty cloudy over that way, so fingers crossed we don't get rained on again. When in doubt, follow the bread cart. That is my dream. I want a cart full of bread. Just left the bar, watched the Hungary-Iceland game. Ended in a tie, 1-1. Headed to Kaiser now. I'm gonna look for stuff to make tacos. And then back to the apartment. One of these days, I will get you. They didn't have too many spice options here, and they didn't have taco seasoning. So Tim's just getting beer instead. It's a win overall. So I'm gonna get doner again. I've been eating a lot of doner on this trip. Every time I think about not getting it, I just do the opposite and I just get it and eat it because it's so good. Just got done editing the vlog for the day before yesterday because I'm a day behind. Now I'm laying in bed, enjoying a beer, watching Comedy Central in German, and then I'm going to bed. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Belgium, Iceland? No.
Hungary, Iceland.
Hungary. I'm so bad at remembering teams.